The bow is attached to cut efficiently through waves. The stern section completes the main hull. The primary deck stretches across the entire vessel. The ship begins rising above the waterline. The command center of the vessel is built. Heavy foundations are prepared for the propulsion system.
Align the grid for the engine mounts. Yes, securing the base now. Good. Check the alignment. Yeah.
Massive marine engines arrive at the shipyard.
Careful now, these engines are heavy. Let's get them secured.
Precision cranes lower the engines into position. Propeller shafts are aligned with microscopic precision. Massive propellers are attached at the stern. The rudder is installed to steer the vessel.
Kilometers of piping are installed throughout the ship.
Align the joint, secure it.
Thousands of electrical connections bring the vessel to life. Advanced navigation technology is installed on the bridge. Life-saving systems are fitted across the vessel.
These lifeboats are ready for deployment.
Emergency equipment systems are fitted accessible here. Living spaces are constructed for future crew members. Walls, floors, and ceilings receive their final finishes. The exterior is prepared for protective coatings. Multiple layers of marine paint protect the vessel from the sea. Final checks are completed before launch day.
Hull integrity confirmed. Agreed. All systems green.
The dry dock is flooded to float the vessel for the first time. The ship touches water and proves its balance. Engineers test every system under real ocean conditions.
After passing rigorous inspections, the vessel receives certification.
After years of design, engineering, and construction, the ship is finally ready to serve the world.